What is up, everybody? Before we jump into this next video, there is a sale going on for the Smart Rider Drill booklet. It's 25% off. Go Practice 25. So you get the drill booklet, and it's also available for the drill booklet and cones. You can get it separately. But each one, every time you, when you get it, you're going to get the digital phone-friendly version of it also. So you can mount this on your bike when you go practice. You get the physical, you get the cones if you want. 25% off this weekend only, though. This weekend only. Go Practice 25. Let's go ahead and take a look at this video. Right here, people crashing, a little bit of road rage. No bueno. Let's take a look.
Today we will start with a situation in which a minor remark was taken very personally by a Harley rider.
Taking things personally.
The rider couldn't control.
Not good.
If I would have turned over on it.
Don't take it personally.
Well,
What they say is their own personal.
what if I would have went on to the right, bro? Yeah. What's up, bro? Nah, don't be a about it, bro. We don't got
They handled it.
about it. Just go on, bro. Go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Just move on. Let them go in the front. Now he's just being a D-bag. Leave him. Let him be dumb.
I'm on a Harley, homie.
Dude, I'm cruising, bro. I have a family to go to. You passed me on the right.
I do that so wrong.
Dude, you passed me on the right. I didn't even see you coming. Ride safe, bro.
There you go. Handled it. Did well. Oh, geez. Wisconsin plate. Yeah, see, let them embarrass themselves. Let them embarrass themselves. Move on. Here we go. Luis Enrique Viscione. All right, what do we do? Whoa! Found the escape. That person was not paying attention. They went through the turn. Were not paying attention whatsoever. So we're coming up to here. We look up. We see an idiot. We're reaching for that front brake. We have our GPS here, which is a great thing to have. Think of it like when you're playing a video game and you have that GPS on the bottom right or left, you know, playing GTA or whatever, even a racing game. It's like you know where the corners are coming up. So you can kind of prepare a little bit. It's a good information to have. So we see this. We're going to go ahead and swerve to the right. All it was a lane position change. Remember, we're planning our ride, so positioning for safety, locating this hazardous situation, assessing if this is a relevant threat. Yes, it is. And then now we're going to navigate this active threat by just moving over our lane position. Slow it down because we have a turn coming up. Handled it. Look forward now. There you go. And we're going to move on. Squid Boy. First crash ever. First group, something like that. Oh! This is why positioning for safety is so important. We're off to the sides, not behind other vehicles. Oh, geez. Not good. Not good. So ride your own ride, position for safety. The person decided to stop because there's a vehicle coming out. Now, what do we do here? We can move over. We can move over. I know there's I think another motorcyclist off to the right. So we're probably going to go for the left. Even though it's paint. Even though it's paint. You don't want to be right behind this person. Waited last second. Applied the brakes. Reacted off their reaction. We want to react on our own reaction. One sec. I just got an Instagram message from Squid Boy. Hey, look at that. He's watching. Squid Boy, hopefully you're watching here. Just got an Instagram message. That's fun. Squid Boy Germs. Hopefully you're doing fine. Smoker 67. Here we go.
So look at this situation. One can observe how quickly the bike loses control of the bike right after crossing the...
Wait, so Squid Boy Germs is in the chat. Go ahead and explain. I'll go ahead and talk about it because this video is going to keep going. So we're going to go and take a look at this one. Go ahead and write in the chat and I'll talk about it.
This situation,
here we go.
One can observe how quickly
so we're having some fun.
Control of the bike right after crossing...
Right behind this person. We have full gear. Very good.
Our road markings are hazardous, especially in challenging road conditions.
Road markings are hazardous. Interesting. Maybe road surface hazards are hazardous. So camera got sloshed around because our back tire probably flipped and went a little bit crazy. Okay, moving on. Probably gravel. So maintain a space cushion. Position for safety. Right behind a vehicle is not very fun. If they back up, that's not good. Anybody behind you can hit? Why are we putting our side stand down? Ooh, what are we doing? What are we doing? Scaring her.
Yeah, you gotta look next time.
Okay.
You literally almost hit me. Are you serious? You literally almost hit me. I had the right of way. You can't just turn like that. You almost hit
Did we
me.
see what happened?
I can't hear you. You literally almost hit me.
Okay.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, we're just gonna move on. We're just gonna move on. Same person, moving on. All right, I'm posting this for educational purposes. Very good. We're doing the same thing. Oh, this is definitely copyrighted music. So, yeah, this person's being a dumb coming up. We were just out on a ride with our friends when somebody tried to run us over. Okay, at this point, you move on. Of course. And then she jumps in, recognizing, oh. Let's go ahead and move on. We don't need to deal with this stuff. Get their license plate like they just did right there. And then we're going to move on. There we go. New video. Double check. Okay. Full gear.
Despite
Nope.
the biker moving at an appropriate speed and
Why are we like
vigilant,
jump
he was
cutting and
completely
like
caught off guard by
frame
the
rate is going a little
driver.
crazy? All right, we'll take this opportunity because Squid Boy just said something. We were riding. I know I should have been staggered. It was my fault for not anticipating my buddy to stop. In his defense, he thought the car turning on the right was going to go, and the car on the left was going to cut him off. And if you look at the lead rider, he kind of brakes because he thought it was a stop. So there was a ton of confusion. By the way, it's an honor being your fits. So let's go ahead and watch your video one more time. Now with that new context. New context, we're gonna let it play. This is gonna be an interesting video for those that are watching this later. So yeah, the vehicle did look like they were gonna come out. He stopped. Yeah, right staggered. Nice little traction on that front tire though. Now you know your bike can do that. Hopefully you're doing fine, man. It looks like you had full gear, so very good. Let's go ahead and get back to what we were doing. This guy is a dumb for trying to do that stuff. This right here, I don't really care about that. You escalated, your emotions got a hold of you, and your thoughts weren't following appropriate actions, and this person crashed, and we're going to move on past this one. We're going to watch this one right here. Red light runner gets lucky. Ooh, geez. What do we got here? Oh, it was green for us, buddy. Green for us. Good job with the brakes, but Flintstoning and putting our feet down, not going to work. Another rider not using their blinkers. Interesting cable management here. Okay, open lane pattern that we couldn't see around the corner. Let's move on. Move on. Accelerate out. Oh, we're going speed limit. Looks like 75, 76. Did we hit something?
After these experiences, the biker decided to warn against fairings from eBay because trusting them is definitely not worth it.
eBay fairings. The fairings just flew right off. Hey, he's got a naked bike now. That's cool. Almost wiping out a motorcycle when hitting oil slick while cornering. Okay. Oh, there's the oil slick. You saw it. Oh, he kept it up. Very good. So road surface hazard, definitely. Try not to ride on that. Hopefully doing fine, Squid Boy. Try not to ride on that. Avoid that. Fruit dealer.
Another
moving through here.
Illustrating why it's crucial to be exceptionally careful of painted road marks. The tire lost control rapidly upon crossing the line.
Oh. Got a little speed wobbles. We're going to be sliding. He has full gear. Hopefully the thermal transfer isn't going up into his butt because you can get some burns. So, painted line, maybe a little bit of oil and water. 360 lens broke right there. Leather gear. The thermal transfer with leather gear is less than with like aramid fibers and textiles. So you can still get the friction heat, the abrasions and friction heat into your body when you're sliding like that. So it's really good that he had this gear on because it's hopefully not going to cause any burns, but you can still feel it. Maybe you get a first degree. Yeah, a little speed wobble. Lost traction. Lady blows through a yield sign. Okay. We switched a bunch of lanes and we got into her lane. Wait a second. No. You notice how people blame others for their own actions? Look at this. Our lane, yield. First available lane, right here. First available lane. Second available lane. And then we get into their lane. That's all you, buddy. Nope. That's all you. Maybe because you want to turn right here? Yeah. Yeah, dude, that was all you. That was all you. Okay. Motorcycle crash on Palomar Mountain. So we got EMS on scene. You don't necessarily have to rescue. They've already got it handled. But look at what could happen. Not good. Wait, that was from the previous video. Is this the deer? The deer that jumped out, hit him, and then he crashed head on. That's why the vehicle's still there. So this is the after. It was caught by 2 different motovloggers or 2 different people that record. Interesting. So if you haven't seen that, guys, my other video had that in there. Interesting. It's and so there's the aftermath. So he said he was fine. He had an airbag vest and everything. So they're still doing a checkout on him. I wonder how fine he really was.